Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to apply for the asset program. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to affordableconnectivity.government and click apply now. Enter your home address. PO boxes are not accepted. Fill in your contact details and optional phone number. Verify your identity using the latest 4 digit of your SSN or another ID like a tribal ID or government issued document. Enter your name and birth date. Confirm if you are an independent. Participate in government programs like Medicare or SNAP, or provide income details if applying based on household income. Review your application and check eligibility. Create an account to track your application. Read the certification statement and confirm your details and submit. After approval, contact a participating internet provider to apply the discount. So that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.